In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post certificate on LinkedIn. If you've recently completed a course, earned a professional credential, or received a certification you want employers and connections to see, adding it to your LinkedIn profile is a great way to strengthen your professional presence. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click, so your certificate appears in the right section of your profile. Start by going to your LinkedIn profile. Make sure you're logged into your account first, then open your personal profile page. This is where all of your professional details live, including your experience, education, skills, and certifications. Adding a certificate here helps keep your profile organized and makes your achievement visible to recruiters and other visitors. Once you're on your profile, click on Add section. This button lets you expand your profile with new information, and it's the place LinkedIn uses for adding things like accomplishments, qualifications, and recommendations. If you don't immediately see it, look near the top area of your profile where editing options are usually displayed. After that, click on Recommended. LinkedIn groups profile additions into categories, and the Recommended section usually includes common items people add to improve their profiles. This makes it easier to find the certification option without having to search through every possible section manually. Next, click on Add Licenses and Certifications. This opens the form where you can enter the details of your certificate. This is the correct place for professional certificates, online course completions, and industry credentials that you want tied directly to your profile, rather than shared only as a regular post. Now, enter the information for your certificate. Fill in the certificate name, the issuing organization, and any other details LinkedIn asks for, such as the issue date, expiration date, if applicable, a credential ID if one exists, and a credential URL if you have a verification link. Take a moment here to make sure everything is accurate and spelled correctly, since this information represents your achievement publicly. If your certificate does not include every field, just complete the ones that apply. When everything looks good, click Save. As soon as you save, the certification will be added to your profile and displayed in the Licenses and Certifications section. This makes it easy for anyone viewing your profile to see the credential, and if you included a link, verify it as well. And that's it. Your certificate is now posted on LinkedIn in a clean, professional way. Keeping this section updated is a simple but effective way to showcase your learning and build credibility online.